Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to block or unblock a contact or a number in an Android device. This is going to be a pretty short video, so guys, before moving on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to receive daily regular tech updates and tech news regarding the tech world. Okay, now guys, I wish to not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you two contents. One that is to block or unblock a contact, and another one is to block or unblock a number which you haven't saved in your phone. Uh, it may be either one which you would have received a call or something. Number one, I'm going to show you how to block or unblock a contact. Like I told before, I'm using a Samsung device. The user interface is going to be the same for almost all the Android devices, but you would have to check other videos too if it's not going to be the same. But more or less, it's going to be the same. Number one, head down or navigate inside the contact. This is the contact which I'm going to block, and I'm going to unblock it too. The reason why we're going to block this is that I'm going to block it to show you guys, but blocking in a true sense means it will enable you to actually stop receiving calls as messages and everything from that number. It actually not directly just stops you from receiving it to your carrier, but your phone checks the blocked number with the number which you're receiving a message or call from, and if it's in the block list, it's not going to display the message to you. That's it. That's the simple terms if you have to explain the blocking or unblocking mechanism in any device. So in order to block this contact over here, what we have to do is that we do not go to any roundabout step. All you have to do is just click on this more button over here. Here we'd have an option to block contact. If you just click on this, you'd get this warning message. You want to recheck whether this is the number and this is the contact, and which the contact or this is the number, then go ahead and click on this block button over here. That's it. Now your contact is blocked. You won't be able to receive any calls or messages from this contact. In order to unblock it, the same steps would have to be repeated. That is navigate to the contact. This is first of all, search the contact, navigate into the contact. Here, if this symbol over here is visible to you near the mobile, that means this contact is a blocked contact. So in order to unblock, just follow the same steps and click on this unblock button over here. Now we would have seen this symbol would have disappeared, meaning your contact has been unblocked and you will be able to receive calls and messages from this contact. Now, how to block or unblock numbers without saving them? You would get a random lot of spam calls, right? So how to block them? As you can see, this is a blocked number. I was continuously getting spam calls from this number, so I just went on and blocked this. If you are not yet saved the contact, all you have to do is click on your recents, choose this number, and once you click on this I mark over here, you will be navigated to this page, and here just click on the block button over here, and this number would get blocked. That's it. It's as simple as that. Now, as a bonus, how to check all of our blocked numbers. Without checking, it's going to be hard, right? So I'm not do that. Navigate to any of the three sections, either contacts, recents, or keypad. Click on these three buttons over here, navigate to settings. Here the first option you would have is the block numbers. If you click on this, all your block numbers would be displayed, and from here you can choose to unblock any of those numbers, or you can add any phone number. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. If you have any suggestions to tell to me, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'd be glad to help you. If you have any problems regarding the tech stuff, etc. So guys, like I told before, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, just go click on the subscribe button, the bell button near the subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me Surya Prakash signing off. Until let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.